Hi guys, and welcome back. Today is journal day, and I've got something new. Okay, so the new thing is I'm going to be talking all the way through this journal video, and I want you guys in the comments below to let me know if you prefer this format, or do you prefer the silent, calming video of me journaling? Let me know. Okay, so this is so far what my first journal is looking like, and I've got one of those elastic hairbands to keep it all together. It's looking rather fat, isn't it? And it's not going to squish down anymore, and so the band just helps keep some order. And I tend to wear it on my wrist so that I don't lose it, because I'm always losing everything. So let's get to today's page, squish it as much as possible, and seeing as this kind of paper fell out, I will, start using this. I've just got to look for my glue stick. Okay, let's start gluing. Like I said, you do have to put quite a bit of glue down for them to stick properly, especially if it's thick kind of card. You have to, I find I have to go back if it's thick card and then apply some more glue. Just get that down there. And I made this paper, you remember, from one of my videos, and it was using felt tips and it's kitchen paper, and I added water, and I think it just helps give some individuality to my journal. And we've got some cut up little bits here. If I can do anything with that. I think that will fit there quite nicely. And we could plug up the hole with that. Forget which way the glue stick's going. We'll put it in here, like so. It's not so obvious now. And then just add some glue here. So what have you guys been up to since my last upload? And I am starting to be able to upload some more videos. I've been going through a bit of a problem with the YouTube uploader tool, and I think it's affecting most of Europe, because one of my followers on Instagram called Bub's Art did a poll for me with her followers, who are mainly from Europe, asking them if they were experiencing the same problem I was, and 70% came back saying yes, that they were. And I think YouTube are going through a big update at the time of recording that's lasted about 2-3 weeks so far, where it's affected the uploading tool. And so whenever I've been uploading anything that is, well, it started off with anything. Even a 2-minute video was taking, I would say, just under 12 hours, so about 8. And then a 16-minute video was impossible because it was taking, like, say, 12 hours or more, and then it would crash and freeze once it got to like 60%. It's been a really frustrating time. It really has, because I am a prolific artist. I am creating all the time, and I like to share that with you guys. So sometimes you might get 3 uploads in a day if the uploader is, you know, behaving, but it's not, and so it stops me feeling inspired with, you know, obviously creating if I can't share it with you all. Now, this is interesting because this is about 2 years old, and it's a sample pad I purchased from Jackson Art Supplies. And I've got affiliate links of Jackson Art Supplies in my description below my video. I earn a little from that at no extra cost to you. And this is some of the paper for watercolor. So I was thinking I might, in future videos, kind of splatter some watercolor on here and use them in my journal. But today I'm just doing my kind of usual quick setup. It's not that quick because I don't use stickers, and if I do, I've made them myself and I glue them in. So my journal videos are not going to be as quick as everybody else's on YouTube, because I am doing everything myself. I kind of enjoy doing that. You know, I don't really get enjoyment from using stickers that someone else has made, if you see what I mean, because it's been not me or my artwork. So we'll pull some paper out. I do tend to have a mess everywhere when I'm journaling, so sorry about that, guys. I'm going to be, I'll find the scissors, just doing a kind of fold, a mini kind of flippy up cardy thing, because I tend to do a mini sketchbook on a page, and then I fold this down, and it's kind of like a hydration note thing that I do, so I can see how much each day of fluid I take, just because, you know, why not? And I set it up and then I fill it all in later, because I create it kind of, you know, before I've done anything, so that I can then just fill things in, because it works for me that way. And then I haven't stuck this in deliberately because it might go on there, or I might actually be putting it in one of my mini sketchbooks that are, I think, round at the back here, if I've got one. I'm hoping I have, because one of these yogurts have to go in, the yogurt lids, and yeah, I think that's my last mini sketchbook. Tomorrow, Wednesdays, are my days where I will make a whole bunch of them and put them in a little wallet there. So I've always got them to hand. So I'll put that there, and I'll see, will that fit kind of up here, just above here. So we've got our basic layout. So I'm pleased I tested that other glue stick of mine, so that when it comes to me needing it, I'll have to run it under the hot tap before I actually do need it, because you don't want to be in the middle of journaling, running out of glue, and you then find you can't open it. So yeah, the YouTube uploader tool, guys, is it affecting you? You know, have you noticed a speed change in your uploads? Because I really would be grateful to know that it isn't just me. I was relieved when Bub's Art did that poll, because I really thought it was just me, and I was getting so frustrated and cross and annoyed, and just, it was sad that it was stopping me from being able to share my work with you all. And I also feel it's unprofessional for me, because I'm not able to honour my promises of uploading every day for you all. So then I feel that I look unprofessional. Just put that in there. I really find these mini sketchbooks help me so much, because I'm kind of just like documenting. I had a pen here somewhere. Ah yes, here we are. My faithful Stabilo, not Stetler, I was about to say Stabilo. So I always outline, as I say, and it's called like food, thoughts, etc. And here will be the hydrate. And I've got my little water droplets that I fill in, which isn't just water, it's any fluid I take throughout the day. Sometimes I colour code them and sometimes I don't. And at the moment I'm colour coding because I include the 2 glasses of cranberry juice I have already had. So I put all that in. And then I'll put things like lunch or things I've watched for the day, which I'll put in now. The weather I will put in here. And it's a bright sunny day. With clear skies, and it's warm. And when I get the temperature, I'll probably put it up there. Because it was roughly yesterday of Monday, the 18th of May, it was roughly 35 degrees for us in the sun, in the direct sun. So quite warm. I'm not a heat person. I love living in a fridge. It suits me better. Okay, put that like so. And I will put watched for things I've seen in the day. And I will do breakfast, and I fill all that in later. It's difficult writing sideways. And then lunch I will put here. And outline. And then I think it's just a question of filling in with my little cupcakes, and that's it, I think. Sometimes my journal pages are more filled than others, and it isn't always because I'm recording. It depends on how I'm feeling on the day. And mean, on some pages you'll see when we do a flip through, I've got things stuck in the middle of the page, flipping up and down. I'm still not sure if I'm going to put something up there, but I'm not sure what. It might just be, now I think of it, just an extra piece, because I tend to write the date just on a little square of paper, so that I don't have to put it anywhere else. I like to put it on the front of the page as near as possible without having to flip anything up. So like just here would be quite good, I think. Just do the glue. So how is this journal video coming out for you guys? Is the talking annoying you? Is there enough talking? Not enough talking? You don't want talking? I know you could always turn the volume down. But I know originally when I was starting to do my journal videos, I was copying Rainbow Holic's format, which was no talking and just calm videos, and you hear the paper I'm touching and all the ASMR things. But do you also, now that I've watched other videos of journalers like Emmylou Arts, and they talk, and she talks while she is journaling, so I thought I'd give it a go and see how it goes down for you guys. So let me know, it's important to me that I give you guys what you want. Okay, so this is the 19th of May 2020, and it's Tuesday. And I'll be adding in, I think, there might be one more square for YouTube, because actually I'm recording, aren't I? So that has to be documented as well. I do tend to put that in my little notebook here, but I will do, to remind me, the little symbol on here of YouTube, just so I know for future reference. But on this day I did do quite a bit with YouTube, whether it was editing, uploading, or recording, or all three. Because as we are speaking, I've got about two videos uploading and one in the editing stages, and others in my mind. Okay, paper everywhere. Just a bit more glue in places. You want everything to be nice and stuck down. Okay, and I think that's where I'm going to leave it now, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below my questions, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!